Have you ever cleaned your room, removed half your belongings, and still felt restless inside? Modern minimalism promises peace through fewer things, cleaner spaces, and a simpler lifestyle. Yet the Buddha taught simplicity more than 2,500 years ago, not as a design choice, but as a deep inner transformation. And the difference is more powerful than it seems. Modern minimalism focuses mainly on the outside. Fewer possessions, neutral colors, tidy homes. This can bring temporary calm. But the Buddha would say that true clutter does not sit in cupboards. It lives in the mind. You can own very little and still feel anxious, craving, and dissatisfied. Buddhist simplicity begins from within. The Buddha taught that suffering does not come from possessions themselves, but from attachment to them. The problem is not what you have, but how tightly you hold it. A simple life is one where the mind is no longer obsessed with wanting more or fearing loss. There is a story where a wealthy man asked the Buddha how to simplify his life. The Buddha did not tell him to give away everything. Instead, he asked, "If you lost what you own today, would you lose your peace?" The man was silent. The Buddha showed that simplicity is not about objects, but about freedom from dependence on them. Modern minimalism can sometimes become another identity. I live simply. Even that can feed the ego. Buddhist simplicity dissolves identity altogether. You are not defined by what you own or how little you own. You are free because you no longer need possessions to feel complete. The Buddha also emphasized contentment. Simplicity is not deprivation or struggle. It is recognizing what is already enough. When contentment arises, the urge to accumulate fades naturally, without force. True simplicity creates space to breathe, to be present, to connect deeply with life. It reduces mental noise, not just physical clutter. The fewer desires the mind carries, the lighter and more peaceful life becomes. You don't need to reject modern minimalism. Use it as a tool. Let it support inner simplicity, not replace it. Declutter your space, yes, but more importantly, declutter your cravings, comparisons, and endless wanting. If this reflection resonated with you, like the video, share it with someone seeking a simpler life, and subscribe to Inside of Buddha for wisdom that goes beyond trends and leads to lasting peace. Because simplicity is not about owning less. It is about needing less to feel whole.